What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fernandez Tour Reviews, and this will be part 3 of the little video series, kind of the vehicle toolkit and emergency type tools and equipment or other things. Uh, I think this is basically probably not the final iteration, but uh, the closest I'm gonna get right now to what I will be carrying. And I'm sure it's gonna be an always pending edit type of kit, because you never know. Sometimes you want to take something out, sometimes you want to add stuff. And also, if any of you have questions or comments, suggestions, ideas, anything that I could add or change, I'm open to listening and hearing out, and hopefully making it better at some point. But uh, yeah, I'll show you a little bit more in depth, kind of what I have. And if you've been watching the previous two videos, you kind of know what's in here mostly. But here we have just some Craftsman 6-point deep sockets, metric, from 6mm to 19, and then that's also a spark plug socket, 5/8. And this one is standard Craftsman and one Cobalt socket, 6-point, shallow, 1/4 inch to 7/8. And then this is another spark plug socket, just some cheap, no name Taiwan socket. It's a 13/16, and this is also going to double as my socket for my lug nuts on the truck. And a few adapters over here, reducers, universal joint, 1/4 inch, some kind of universal wobble metric sockets. These are impact rated, they're 3/8 drive, but they say Powercraft. I don't really know where exactly these came from. Had them for a very long time. Just a few missing, or not. They're not from full sequence, but 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17. They're more of just like a luxury type of thing. This is a kind of a universal socket. I've never actually used it. Gator Grip, made in USA. I've seen them, but I've never put one into use, so I can't tell you if it works well or not. Just a random P3 socket, and then just a small collection of metric and standard deep well sockets in 12-point, just like 9 to 13 and 3/8 to 9/16. And I had to modify this a long time ago for something. In these little Crown Royal bags, we have some ratchets extensions, quarter 3/8 drive, 3/8 drive flex head stubby, couple extensions, and some pliers. And this one, just had a few of these saved up from a while ago, and always wanted to put them into use for different things. They're nice little bags. I mean, I'm sure they won't hold up for super long time, but I have a few extras too. But just regular pliers, Duralast diagonal cutters, needle nose Stanley, tongue and groove pliers, and almost the same thing, but these are also called water pump pliers, and these are Irwin quick adjust. It's just some cheap wire crimpers and strippers. collection of screwdrivers and picks and hex bit driver, Craftsman USA, Stanley, just mix of stuff. These are a Craftsman adjustable wrench and 8 to 22 wrenches combination. Some of them are spline drive, gear wrench, and just others are Craftsman, some are no name, some are Evercraft Napa, and just put some O-rings, rubber rings on there just to hold them together. These are quad drive ratcheting 12-point box wrenches, Craftsman, so they have 4 different sizes built into one wrench, basically, and they are reversible, so nice thing to have. Some hex keys, metric standard, fixed blade knife my buddy gave to me a long time ago, and it's a Western Boulder, Colorado company, made in USA. Some electrical tape, another set of standard wrenches, same deal, mix match, gear wrench, other stuff, but about 1/4 inch to I think 9/16, and then another adjustable, slightly bigger, extra batteries, and a little Nebo light with magnetic bottom, clip, and different mounting options. What else? 12-inch extendable ratchet, Pittsburgh. Breaker bar, bought it at Harbor Freight, Pittsburgh, or something along those lines, 3/8 drive. A little ball peen with about 25 to 30 feet of paracord or 550 cord wrapped around the handle. And this is going to be just like an extra quick access kit. 6-in-1 screwdriver, Stanley, so 2 different size flatheads and 2 different size Phillips, as well as nut drivers, 5/16 and 1/4 inch. Just a cheapy ratcheting screwdriver, bit driver, some cheap slip joint pliers, and another just cheap adjustable wrench, small. So this will be easy to grab. Anything, if most of the time, if it's just a quick fix thing, you can usually get at it with something in here. I mean, there's other things I could add, but for now it's gonna be it for that little mini kit. Cheap Amazon first aid / survival kit, just basic stuff, gauze, screwdrivers, I mean not screwdrivers, band-aids, other things like world's cheapest multi-tool and flashlight, and just stuff like that. I added a couple things also. This is a old emergency auto kit that came with one of my cars, and it was never full or complete. It has a reflective triangle so you can set it behind your vehicle, and here I just have jumper cables, about 10 to 12, I don't remember. Some chem lights, they're expired but they still work, and a couple rain ponchos, a reflective vest. I want to add for sure a tire plug kit just something you can get at like Walmart or any auto parts store pretty much, or online, but haven't gotten around to it. And yeah, this is for the most part what I'll be carrying. And luckily I've worked on it for a few weeks now, but fine-tuning and getting the things that I want to carry for sure, and not carrying too much as well at the same time. But I think this is pretty much complete. Like I was gonna say before, I'm going out of town this weekend, so I really wanted to have this in a position where I could put it back into service pretty much. And I think that's pretty much where it's at. But if you're still here, thanks for watching. Come back for more of similar videos, tool reviews, and just whatever else I can come up with. But thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, leave me a like if you like the video, and subscribe. Thanks.